sa Pandacan, maraming mga kainan, mga mabibilihan ng mga pulutan, mga street food, mga karinderya. Pero ang wala dito, mga inuman places, walang mga beer house dito. Buti na lang marami ditong 7-Eleven. So yun ang pupuntahan natin today. Nandito ako ngayon sa Plaza Balagtas. This is the fountain in Plaza Balagtas. Meron ditong 7-Eleven. Tignan natin kung anong mabibili natin dyan na pwedeng inumin. But it's only 4 p.m. Hapon pa lang. Taas pa yung araw. Pero gusto ko nang uminom. Ba't ang tanong, sino ba nagsabing bawal uminom pag may araw pa? Day drinking. That's something na hindi tayo sanay mga Pilipino. Hindi natin ginagawa ang day drinking. But who cares? Let's go. Let's try day drinking here in Pandacan. So they have here the usual San Miguel beers. Flavored beer, pale pilsen, cerveza blanca, and nasa baba yung mga bote ng pale pilsen at saka Red Horse. I want something refreshing today, so I'm buying cerveza blanca. Magkano? 92? Can you check kung 95 yan? Taas pa sikat ng araw, alas 4 pa lang. Ang binili kong beer ay something refreshing. This is San Miguel Cerveza Blanca. It's wheat beer. I've tasted this beer many times before. This is one of the beers na sa lineup ng San Miguel ay tinatawag nilang premium beers. They have Cerveza Negra, yung dark beer. They have premium all malt, yung green na bote at saka green na cans. And they also have yung super dry. Yun naman yung kanilang smooth beer na tinatawag. Cerveza Blanca is a wheat beer. It's relatively new, pero I think marami na rin bumibili at marami na rin kumitikim nitong Cerveza Blanca dito sa Pilipinas. So now I'm going back towards the church. Dito ako ngayon, naglalakad ako ngayon papunta dun sa simbahan. And my plan is to drink this dito sa kalsada mismo. Ang problema ko lang is baka mahuli ako ng pulis kasi as far as I know, it's illegal to drink outside here in Manila. Bawal uminom dito sa mga kalsada ng Manila. Bahala na. We just have to be careful na wala tayong makasalubong na pulis. Cheers guys, this is day drinking in Pandacan with San Miguel Cerveza Blanca. Sarap. This is the Santo Niño de Pandacan. Yan yung church na nasunog 4 years ago. And now, 4 years later, almost 5 years later, hindi pa tapos yung construction. But you can already see the skeleton of the church itself. Lapit na matapos yan. And right in front of that, in this street, is the food park ng Pandacan. Look at this. Marami dito mga tabi-tabing mga street food vendors. Lakad tayo towards this street. Yan, look at this. Meron dito mga fish balls, kwek-kwek, kikiam, hot dogs. Yan. Sa tabi, meron tayo dito mga... Kuya, ano yan? Calamares? Calamares ba yan? Calamares. And over here, meron ditong mani. Mani. Nice. Kwek-kwek. And then, nandito yung mga Isaw, mga ihawan, nakadat. Barbecue, isaw. Yan, meron din dito mga kwek-kwek pa. Fish balls, squid balls. So what is day drinking? Siguro naman it's self-explanatory. Normally, you drink alcohol at night. Day drinking means umiinom ka ng may araw pa. Day drinking. And usually, I only do that kapag nasa bakasyon ako. Kunyari, nasa probinsya, or nasa swimming, or nasa ibang lugar, pagka walang pasok. Umaga pa lang or tanghali pa lang, simula na ng inuman. And we don't usually do that on a normal day. Today, it's a weekend, but usually kasi tayo mga Pinoy kapag weekend, gabi pa rin ang inuman. We don't drink really kapag may araw pa. It's not normal. So I thought, why don't we normalize it? Why don't we normalize day drinking? There's nothing wrong about it. If you really enjoy beer or any alcoholic drinks, you can drink it anytime. But of course, wag naman sobra. We don't advocate naman excessive drinking dito sa channel na to. What we want people to do is to just have fun and enjoy alcoholic drinks. Kahit anong oras, we can enjoy our drinks. Whether it's gabi or araw, we can drink our beers. Cheers! Gusto ko sanang bumili ng calamares, kaya lang kulang na pera ko. I only brought 100 pesos. And yung 92, pinambili ko nitong beer. So, ayun, wala na. Wala tayong pulutan today. Anyway, by the way, this area in Pandacan is quite famous because this is the area kung nasa nag-survive pa yung mga lumang bahay ng Kastila dito sa Pandacan. Like this one, right behind me, this big building right behind me is an old Spanish era house. And it's right in front of the church. Yan yung church. And then, sa tapat niyan, eto, this house. It looks like one of those wealthy people houses. In Spanish era pa to eh. Look at the architecture. Yan. Maybe in future episodes, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga iba pang mga lumang bahay dito sa kalsada na to. Maliliit yung mga kalsada rito, pero meron ka dyang mga makikita pang mga lumang bahay na Spanish era architecture. So anyway, day drinking. Do you like it or not? Is it acceptable or not acceptable? Let me know down in the comments kung anong opinion nyo sa day drinking. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. See you in the next episode.